Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How are you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my sweet and sour chicken. My chicken was so delicious. It's quite a few ingredients you have to use, but trust me, it's all worth it in the end. So I'll show you guys step by step how to make this delicious sweet and sour chicken. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, I did 3 dishes this weekend: my sweet and sour chicken, my Spanish rice, and my potato salad. So look out for all 3 of those videos I'll be uploading this week. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my sweet and sour chicken. Enjoy. Hey guys, well today we're gonna make some sweet and sour chicken. So the first thing we have here to season our chicken, we have some all-purpose seasoning: chicken seasoned paprika, thyme, onion powder, chili powder, some mustard hot sauce, some garlic, and ginger. And we have here our chicken legs. So we're gonna season our chicken now. So the first thing we're gonna do is put in our all-purpose seasoning. Check the description box for all the measurements and ingredients, okay? So we're gonna put in our chicken seasoning now. Some paprika. We have some grated ginger here. And some grated garlic. We're going to also use our mustard hot sauce. We're going to put in some onion powder. Some thyme powder. And some chili powder. Alright, so you're gonna mix everything together now and let your chicken marinate for about an hour. Oops. Yeah, so you're gonna mix up everything and let your chicken marinate for about an hour. So I'll be back with the other ingredients. Okay guys, so since I'm making this sweet and sour chicken, I need to get some pineapple juice. So I'm gonna have to make my own pineapple juice. So what I have here, I peel my pine and I have this skin here. So I'm gonna put this skin. I have 2 pieces of ginger and some carrots. I'm gonna put it into this pot here to boil. And I also have a couple pieces of pine to make my pine juice, and some pieces of carrots. I'm also gonna put 1 cube and some onion powder, and I have some grated garlic here. So I'm gonna mix everything together and let this boil for about 50 minutes to form my pine juice. So we'll be back. Okay guys, my pine juice is finished boiling, so I'm gonna strain it now and we'll be back. Okay guys, so we're gonna make our batter now for our chicken. So you have 3/4 cup of flour in here, and then we have 1.5 cup of flour in here. So first thing you're gonna do, in the 3/4 cup of flour, you're gonna put some salt, or you're gonna put some all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna put all-purpose seasoning, and then you're gonna also put some black pepper, and then you're gonna put some milk. You could either put milk or you can put water. And you're gonna mix it and make our batter for our chicken. All right, put some more milk so you can get a nice thick batter. So in our flour mixture now, we have our 1.5 cup of flour there, and then we're gonna put in our cornstarch, and we're gonna put in some black pepper, and you can put in some all-purpose seasoning as well, just a little bit, because my chicken is well seasoned up. And you're gonna mix everything together just like this. I just put on my oil to fry my chicken. So here it goes. So the first thing you're gonna do, this is my chicken here. I'm using chicken drumstick, or you could call it legs. So you're gonna take one of the legs and you're gonna put it into the wet batter. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, you're gonna put it into the wet batter, and then you're gonna put it into the dry batter, and then you're gonna put it back into the wet batter, and then back into the dry batter. Oops, ouch. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do it over again. Put the chicken into the wet batter. Just now my phone fall down. And then you're gonna put it into the dry batter. Something wrong with my tripod. A piece of it like it break or something. Then I'm gonna put it in the wet batter and back into the dry batter. Then you're gonna rest it here. My oil is already hot in, so when it's hot, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put my chicken leg now into the pot to fry. Probably gonna put in like 4 legs at a time. Yeah, but 4 legs. Let me try another one, see if that one fits. Yeah. Okay, 5 legs whole. So I'm gonna cook it, and if it get golden brown, I'll be back and let you guys know how long it takes to cook. Okay guys, so my chicken has been frying for about 12 minutes, and as you can see here, it's all done. My chicken leg is so crispy, flaky, and delicious. It's all done here now. So I'm gonna take it out and then put in the other one. We'll be back. Okay, we're gonna put in our second set of chicken legs here and let it fry for another 12 to 30 minutes as well. We'll be back. Okay guys, so we're gonna go make our pineapple sauce. As you can see, my chicken legs finished frying here. It's very crispy. And to make our pineapple sauce, I have some clear vinegar here, some white sugar. This is our pineapple juice. We have some carrots, we have bell pepper, we have pine, we have ketchup, and we have some cornstarch. So first thing you're gonna do is put half teaspoon of cornstarch into the vinegar, and you can mix it up together. All right, mix it up until it's all combined and you don't see any lumps in it. All right, and then we're gonna put in our sugar. We're gonna mix it up, and then we're gonna put in our ketchup. Alright, and then you're gonna mix that up as well. Mix it up real good. Alright, so you're gonna do now, you're gonna fry up your veggies. Okay, I'm gonna put some oil into my pan here to fry up my veggies. So you're gonna mix the oil all the way around here, and you're gonna put in some garlic. I forgot to show you guys the garlic just now. I'm gonna fry it up. Okay, so then you're gonna put in some carrots and your bell pepper. Okay, and you're gonna fry it up together. Just going sauteing for like about 2 minutes. Alright? So we'll be back. What you're gonna do is just put in a little dash of all-purpose seasoning and a little bit of onion powder. Just mix it up together. So this is our pine water here that we boiled, so I'm gonna pour it in. Alright. And let this cook for about a good 10 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my veggies has been boiling for about 5 minutes. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put in my thyme. And I'm gonna put in this tomato ketchup liquid that I mixed up earlier. And then you're gonna mix everything and combine together. Alright. And bring it to a boil. We're gonna cook for another 10 more minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so this has been boiling for about 5 minutes on low heat. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna put in all of your chicken legs inside, and then you're gonna just gonna coat it over the chicken. Alright, let me turn my stove off, and this is the end of your sweet and sour chicken legs. Alright, I'm gonna plate it and let you guys see. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my sweet and sour chicken. I'm gonna eat my sweet and sour chicken with some Spanish rice and some potato salad, which I have in the fridge. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, so I'm not gonna taste it on camera because I'm holding this phone right now because something wrong with my tripod. Alright, take care. Bye. I'll probably put up a picture of all 3 of the dishes at the end of the video. Alright, so you guys can see all 3 dishes. And I'm gonna upload all 3 dishes as well. My potato salad, this sweet and sour chicken, and my Spanish rice. Alright, take care guys. Bye.